My name is George Motz.
My name is Motz.
And we're tailgating.
Oh, a robot.
Woo! Look at that, bud. Yum. Should we go into the game?
Now let's eat.
Let's eat. Let's eat. We're tailgating.
Yeah.
And this is one of the greatest tailgating foods ever.
I'm so excited. It sounds so good.
No, you know this one, right? What is it?
It is an Iowa loose meat sandwich.
That's right, dude. One of your favorites.
Really good.
And it's great for tailgating because it's so easy to make. So what I did was I made this at home.
Oh.
And I brought it to the stadium. All I did was crumble beef, cook it in a pan, add salt, drain some of the fat. That's it.
Wait, is it Idaho or Iowa?
It's Iowa.
Iowa.
Is it a burger?
I'm guessing so, because you're known for that.
No, look, what's in here?
Meat.
Mac, define hamburger. What's a hamburger?
It is 2 pieces of bread.
Right.
With meat in the middle.
Ooh, no, that could be anything. It could be a sandwich, it could be a hot dog, it could be anything, right? What kind of meat in the middle?
With a hamburger patty.
Right, exactly. The fact that this is loose meat means it's not a hamburger, is it?
But it is a sandwich.
Definitely a sandwich. Is a
Definitely
hamburger a sandwich?
I mean, yes.
Is a taco a sandwich?
No.
What's a taco?
Taco is a taco.
That's right. What's a hot dog? Is a hot dog a sandwich?
A hot dog's a hot dog.
Hot dog's a hot dog. Now check this out. We're gonna take a Martin's potato roll. Look at these perfect buns. Look at that. What am I doing? What am I doing?
You're laying it on the meat.
That's right. You know why?
Because then they're gonna taste like meat.
But it's gonna get kind of
It's gonna get steamy.
Steamy soft, right? This is so simple. What they do in Iowa is do a little bit of mustard on there, right? A little bit of mustard.
Yum.
We take some pickles.
Yum.
We're gonna take 3 dill pickle chips on the bottom there, right? Then we're gonna take a spoon. Watch this, ready? We're just gonna do this. We're gonna scoop the loose meat, press it down on top of that.
You just got all over my
Dude,
shoe.
all over your shoe. And it's ready to go.
This is so good.
So this is actually called bun doping, by the way. When you get the bun ready for the meat, it's called doping the bun. Like that?
Yum.
Look at that. Scoop that on there. How's it doing? You okay there, buddy?
Oh, so good.
So good, right?
Wow.